Now that we got our rail hung on the wall, the next thing to do is to place our sides on the rail. So previously we staged all of our sides over here in reverse order. I went ahead and moved these images here so they're going to be stacked up in one location so we can easily reference those. So we have C1 is on the outer portion of our staging area, and C5 would be on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and start with C1 and go through the rest of the pieces here. You can approximately place them in their location by referencing how far apart each of these sections are. So they just need to be in a general spot, because as we start placing the shelves in, we'll work from left to right. So here I'm going to go ahead and place the components on the wall. You can see right here we have C1, and we're just going to go ahead and hang it on that rail. So, and it hangs off the lip of the bracket here. So we'll place that up on the wall right there. C2 will be the next one, and it's going to be approximately 22 inches away from the panel there. So it's going to be about in that general location. Again, we just need to be close. Here's a C3 panel. Go ahead and place it over here, and this needs to be at about 24 inches or thereabouts from that panel there. So again, we're just going to be close on those right there. And then C4, same thing, referencing about 24 inches from the side. We'll go ahead and place that right here. And our last panel, C5, we're going to go ahead and put C5 on the wall right here, and we'll go ahead and stick at the end of the run, which is right here. And that's all you need to do to get your sides hung on the rail right there. We're going to go back through and stage all of our shelves in between the sides accordingly, section 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll go ahead and place our shelves in, and then we'll lock those in place.